Well guys, welcome back to the channel. After a long wait, I finally picked up my 20-ton press. It was 2 months I waited for this thing, and it's a long story, but it's finally here. So I can now do the head, put the valve guides in, and do the things that I've been waiting on without using a hammer and punch and stuff like that. So yeah, 2 months. I ordered it online, and they had it in stock, said it was shipping, and then about 2 or 3 weeks went by, and I inquired about it, and they said, oh, it's on its way. And then over a month went by and I inquired again, and they said, oh, sorry, we had an inventory error, and it's on back order. So I'm like, oh, that's great. So about a month and a half, and I finally had enough. I said, okay, that's it. So I went to the store. This was an online purchase. I went to the store, and I said, look, I want my money back. I'm gonna go to a competitor and buy one. And they said, oh, wait a minute, there was a guy there, actually a really good guy. He said, oh, wait, I'll go inquire about it. So they found it in a place called Prince George, which is about 7 hours from here. And they wouldn't ship it because it was not in a box, and they were scared it would get scratched. So of course that's no good. I mean, what the heck. So I went to the manager of this store, and in Kelowna, and the guy, I think his name was Tyson, or anyway, I forget the guy's name that was so helpful. But he sorted it out. He and the manager phoned that store and said, put it on a pallet and ship the damn thing. So that was 2 weeks ago, and it's here. So there we go, guys. That's going to be a huge help. I'll stick it in the corner, and in a very nice piece of equipment. Well, there it is, guys. It's finally here, and we can start doing the 253 valve guides with this one, and many other chores. So very happy indeed. Just took 2 months to get it, but that's okay. We got it. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick little video for you. Another addition to the shop, and maybe a spring cleanup is in order. It's becoming very untidy, so I think we'll make a couple of trips to the dump and get rid of some of this junk, and make some room for more Detroits. So again, thanks for checking in, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.